Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's NUBIA Red Magic 5S device. So at first you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's phone. To do it, open Settings, then scroll down, click Other Accounts, choose Account to remove, click remove account, and cool, all accounts on my child. NUBIA Red Magic 5S device was successfully removed. But now you need to log in into the child's Google account on child device. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password. So click Other Accounts, Add Account, and click Add Google Account. Enter the child's email, click Next, enter the child's password, and click Next. Click I agree, scroll down, accept. So cool. That's all. Now go back, click Google, scroll down, parental controls, get started, child 18, next. Here you need to select the child's Google account, click on it, and now you need to log in into parent Google account. So enter parent email, click Next, and confirm parent password. Then click Next. Scroll down, and now you need to confirm child's password. So enter child's password last time. Click Agree, Allow. Cool, click Next. Next. Cool, now you can go back to the home screen and you can start installing Google Family Link on your device. So find Family Link on your device and install this application. Click Open, go down, just get started, then you can choose your email. Oh, I'm so sorry, HardReset.Info, it's my parents' email. Cool, now here you will see all connected Google accounts to your family group, and this account I have just added on this NUBIA device. But now by clicking on this device we can see that we have full control of child's phone. We can block his device, we can block separate applications. For example, to block separate applications, click View All Apps and choose application to block. For example, I want to block File Manager on the child's device, or Calendar. So find Calendar, this calendar, yeah? Okay, so by clicking on the Send Watch and clicking on the block icon, we can see that calendar was successfully locked on the child's phone. So it's working. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you again.